Welcome to Juicy Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT Performance Edition. And in this highway POV test drive, we're going to test the assist systems, and specifically Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-off driving assist and driving system. So we're very curious how that works because we've had Super Cruise already, General Motors system. Let's see that. And before that though, we will probably go for like a mild little handling test. Nothing too hard. We're gonna go on unbridled, our Sport Plus mode essentially, in this Mach-E. But we're not gonna send it too hard. I'll give you all my impressions though about this Mach-E in the top right hand corner, about my full review. So if you want to hear everything about that Mustang, click up there. Anyhow. And that's about as far as we can go. That's fine. Whatever. It's going very slow though. Let's keep it unbridled until we're on the highway, and then we can test all the assist systems. Okay, let's just keep it right here and make sure to enable Blue Cruise. So we click Blue Cruise, can enable itself, will prompt you to enable it, but let's do it manually. We're gonna put it in cruise control, put it up to speed. Okay, and we're gonna keep the lane keep assist on, and Blue Cruise is on. You can see the blue. So this is hands-free. Stop. Post-production Eric here. So as it turns out, this is not hands-free Blue Cruise. Apparently there's multiple Blue Cruises, and even though the Mach-E supports it during the whole week, it never activated, but the messaging and the icons weren't very clear about that, so I didn't realize until afterwards. You'll see it not working here because it's not hands-free. This is an enabled highway. This Mach-E has the capabilities. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not working. We have a Lincoln Navigator coming in a few weeks, and that will have active glide, same thing. So hopefully that will work. It's a hands-free system. I need to monitor the road and be ready to intervene. But it's a hands-free system, so let's see how it does. Keeping a good distance to the RAV4. And here's exactly what's wrong. Blue Cruise wants me to intervene. Now it's hands-free again. For some reason, does an absolutely horrible job in this Mach-E. I'm gonna reach out to Ford. I don't know if this is a problem with this Mach-E. Again, it wants me to, like, why? You're a hands-free system. This is a mapped road. They mapped it. This is supposed to be 100% hands-free here, but it needs to intervene every couple of seconds. So I don't know what's wrong. Again, I don't know what's wrong with this system, but it's supposed to be hands-free, and it is not. So yeah, that's Blue Cruise in this Mach-E. I'm pretty sure it's faulty. I don't know why. It doesn't tell me what's wrong. It doesn't tell me if the cameras are dirty or whatever it is. But yeah, unfortunately that's the way it is. Let's test the lane keep assist, although I've set it to the lowest setting. Let's see what it does. And steers back in. So the lane keep assist works pretty well. Just like, I mean, as you can see, also it does a very good job of like centering itself in the lanes, but for some reason it keeps wanting me to intervene, which just doesn't make any sense. But alright, I'm just gonna go into this gap. Thank you, sir. Watch out, braking in front. And oh, we're gonna go into the traffic jam. Great. Anyhow, so we tested pretty much all these systems. That's good timing because we wanted to test them. Let's give Blue Cruise another shot. Come on, buddy. This is slow speed. Okay, you should be able. Yeah, sorry, I pressed a bunch of buttons there. Not really knowing what I'm doing. So, lane keep system on. Blue Cruise is on. Okay, Blue Cruise. Show me what you can do. It doesn't get much easier than this. So far, so good. And there we go. So this Blue Cruise at the moment is horrible. Literally horrible. Terrible system, doesn't work. Not even yeah, a literal joke compared to Super Cruise. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this is faulty. I can't confirm it though. But yeah, that's what I can say about Blue Cruise, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep quiet for maybe like a minute, so you can just get some impressions of how it is to drive. And here it is, how it is to drive this Mustang Mach-E on the highway, even though it is just stop and go. But hey, every bit counts, right? Okay, let's give it one more shot. I'm just staying ready right now because I know it's gonna tell me to put my hands on the steering wheel in a second again. And there we go. Okay. Three tries, all three were bad. Anyhow, I got 2 more POV test drives about this Mach-E. They should have been popping up in the top right hand corner throughout this video. One's on the that's the highway POV, obviously. One's in the city, where we kind of, you know, test how smooth it is to drive this Mach-E on more kind of slower and more slow speeds, a lot of stop and go, a lot of turns, and we go through a few different drive modes. And then we have a night POV test drive, where we test the headlights and the high beams, the automatic high beams assist. And of course, for all my thoughts about the exterior, the interior, how it drives, and comparing it to other electric cars, click in the top right hand corner or somewhere on your screen right now for my full review about this 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope it gave you good insight on how the Blue Cruise, well, works or not works in this one. And yeah, I upload videos every single week. So if you like cars, I got all sorts of them. Make sure to subscribe and the bell if you liked it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.